possibly the most exciting video that I've uploaded to date. Yes, I'm currently in my new apartment. To start the vlog off, I just wanted to pop in because I realized I never actually really started it or like introduced it. It just kind of starts with us literally walking through the doors for the first time. Basically, this is the moving vlog and the first like couple days of living in the apartment. A little bit of homeware shopping, but trust me, there's like loads more to come. Like I basically haven't even started.
No, we're gonna go to the shops now. I'm gonna buy like just a doona and then maybe
There's even plants already here.
I'll get some stuff when I come back up. Yeah.
I do have a mad photo. That one's pissing me off so much. It's the worst one. But the others, anyway, welcome back. We're here.
Heck yeah, we are.
Have you ever been on the vlog?
No. I've been in the background.
This is Max. Welcome to the vlogs. Soph showed you around, right?
I just filmed.
Alright, well she'll show you around later. I'll let her do the honors. But we're gonna get some Uber Eats because we're in the city. First night.
Just like a little sneak peek look at the kitchen. I'll just give you a tiny sneak peek. Obviously I'm gonna do like a whole apartment tour when it's like all done. It's like quite messy at the moment. I just cannot believe that like this is our apartment.
Well, guys, happy housewarming.
The first dinner.
we live together now.
I know.
We still visit a hotel. But
Yeah.
Should that day.
It doesn't
Oh,
matter.
that sucks. They went. So they got Indian water. Fuck, that's good.
I know.
So
I love grill.
tomorrow night again.
I feel like we'll be doing this a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
I'll be
when-
sitting here. I'll be sitting here.
I actually like. I feel like it's gonna take me like a few weeks to genuinely.
No.
believe
Oh,
this.
legit.
Day one of 365.
Wait.
Inspirational. That's an Instagram
Fucking
caption right there.
Every day I update my Instagram. It's true. No,
I prefer that.
no, you said that's mine.
Can I
You get
please
that.
have that?
No. Sound like my dad when I sneeze. I just realised I'm getting old now because I sound exactly like him. No, Sophie, it's not happening to jump the gun and be too selfish.
Sorry. I don't want to sleep on that. That's like raw. For tonight.
Just for tonight and then forever.
No, just for tonight. I'll buy.
What? they were in the cupboard. You're the worst! If I give in now, you're gonna think you can get away with anything.
Oh, no, I won't. From now on, if you just give it to me, I won't.
I think you're so good. Just know that I let you have it.
I reckon we get.
Yeah, we need some more pillows and we'll get a nicer doona cover and everything. First time making the bed. Good morning. So it is now the next day. Sam and Max have both gone home for the weekend to just like, Sam's got work, Max has got to pick up some stuff to bring back to the apartment. Look who's come to join me for the weekend. Hey guys, welcome back.
Comment down below who you think it is.
If anyone's just new to my
You might
channel,
also know me from Sophie's Instagram story.
so true. But if anyone's new to my channel and I haven't seen all the New York vlogs,
Sorry.
wow, you're just already messing up my house. This is New York. I just said this is New York. This is Maddi, and she has just been living in New York, and I went to stay with her for a bit. But anyway, so she's come.
Watch those vlogs, link in the description.
So true. So Maddi's just come to give me some company and just like hang out because we haven't seen each other since New York, and so we just. I know it's so long.
How long
hey?
ago was that? I feel like that's our usual break.
Yeah, a couple months. We're the type of people that will literally go like 2-3 months without seeing each other, and then we'll like see each other every single day for like a week, and then it'll be like.
So true.
You know, like we just like kind of get obsessed with each other, and then we're like, okay, I'm done.
I'm done. Let's see you in like 3 months.
Yeah, it's so true. We're gonna have a cute little like sleepover, which we haven't had a sleepover like, well, other than New York when I was like staying with you, but like a proper little sleepover.
Yeah.
And so,
When was our last sleepover?
oh, literally probably like 3
Adele.
years, surely.
Was it when we were playing Wii? At your old house?
Remember when we started the YouTube channel? We were like gonna start a channel called like, and that was before I started my channel.
This should be a chat for tonight when we're cooking dinner.
We filmed videos.
Full video.
Yeah.
We filmed two. We filmed an introduction video, and we were like, I wish I had the footage, but I think I deleted it because I was so like cringy.
So cringe.
We like carved pumpkins for the video. We like answered like questions.
We
Stuff like
did.
Google.
Oh, good time. So we're gonna have a really cute sleepover. We're gonna make a nice little dinner in, but we're actually just about to go and get some lunch. We don't know where we're gonna go because I obviously don't know the area that I'm living in now very well. So we're gonna go for a little bit of a walk, try and find a cute little cafe, just kind of explore. I kind of want to go and get some plates from H&M. So might pop into there. I reckon we like make our own dinner tonight, like maybe watch a movie.
Well, we always say that, we never do.
Oh no, we don't. We always just end up like talking and it gets to like 12 and I'm like, oh, I should get to bed. We are just in H&M home at the moment and I'm very sad because I was looking for a very specific plate. It's really disappointing, and I'm going around looking at everything like I want this, like not these, but like other things. Oh, look at all of that. So many things that I don't need, but like I just want. Okay, so we're now in Woolworths at the Penna section. It's on sale, by the way, PSA. We've decided to make like a full-on like snack board for tonight's dinner and then also some ice cream. I don't know what flavor to go. This is always my struggle. Mint choc chip, chocolate, or sea salt caramel. Which one do I go? I don't know. And Maddie doesn't know what to go either, so we're just standing here.
No, I missed it.
We're getting the weirdest look.
Here we have Sophie Jane in her natural habitat. Thank you. Perfect. We're so in sync. She didn't know Sophie and I are the exact same person.
We actually are. Like, we say all these things and we're like,
In different aspects. Like Sophie's like way healthier than me, so like
we're like, you just get me on another level.
exactly. In a few weeks you will see the best friend versus boyfriend challenge. Me and Sam will be going head to head. I don't know if you know this yet, but I've decided it's gonna Hogwarts.
If I don't hear anything from the video, I'm gonna be disappointed.
I'm all set.
We'll take the lot. I was just...
So I was just taking a look at the library.
Podcast and everything. Sun is setting. Beautiful. I've got my favorite. This is literally like my favorite part of the whole entire place. Like, look at the lighting. I just... No, not yet. I'm gonna do a tour when it's like done. We've got all our stuff here. We've also got some wine. Like, how fancy are we? And so we're just gonna probably chill for a bit and then maybe like have showers, get into comfy clothes. Alright, so welcome to Sophie's kitchen. Today we're going... Should we turn that music? Oh. So today we are going to be baking. Cut to this camera to see what we're doing. So true. Cheers to first sleepover in my new apartment. Oh, they're cheering as well. Yay! Tastes like a red. So fun chats with Maddi and Sophie. Ding! So guys, what do we think about the fringe? Not sure if I'm loving it.
Oh yeah, Sophie got a new fringe. I said she looks like a soccer mom.
Especially with my red wine.
So back here in like a black like get up, you know.
So Sharon, how the kids?
You know, they were right. I had to take a little dicky to the... Okay, ready? Quick fire questions. Favorite drink? Mine? Are we talking about mine? Okay, so this isn't quick fire, but recently, so like basically thinking back 20 years, I wasn't really a big drinks person. Like I wasn't the type of I wasn't the type of person to be like, I want a, what's a drink? Like lemon lime bitters. Yeah, you know? Like I wasn't that type of person, you know? Anyway, so I never used to be a big... 20 minutes later. It's a story. It's a story. In like Arizona and Vegas, it was like 40 degrees. I got obsessed with vitamin water. Really? Yeah. just tastes like flavored water kind of thing.
Yeah, but like better.
All right, look at the spread that we've just made. Crackers, we've got cucumber, carrot, hummus, sweet potato, normal and like purple, avo, and red wine. So we've now had showers. Oh, Maddie's already messing up the plate. I've gotten into our pajamas. You like?
Yeah.
The more you're eating it, you like it? Yeah. Washed our faces. How good. You like it? Yes, I'm so happy. So now we've got panna. We've got a tub each. I got chocolate because I was just feeling...
Just gets better.
It's exactly. And the more it melts... Do you like whipping your ice cream?
Meal planning?
Meal planning. We're going to do some meal planning because we want to get like better at like meal prepping and stuff. But we might like chuck on a movie.
Sophie's my motivation in life.
I feel so happy that you said that. Like you literally said to me just before you
As
were
I'm
like,
eating ice cream.
yeah, but healthy ice cream.
Better than what I would usually have.
Yeah.
I don't even want to be in it.
We look so rough this morning.
I don't even know why. I've been sick like all this week and then like...
And then I think I'm sick now as well, so thanks.
Sorry. I didn't mean it.
Lots of water, guys. Stay hydrated. We did nothing. Had one glass of wine.
It was like this full. Like,
Yeah.
it was like this much.
Literally. And we went...
I went to bed at like 12, which is like normal for me, not normal for some.
Yeah, usually I go to bed at like 9, but that's okay.
See, we've got some planned, we've got some coasters. This is from Big W, if anyone's wondering. So I'm just going to... Oh. And then hello, it's me again. I realized I never actually ended the vlog, I think literally on Sunday. As we were saying in the clip that you would have just seen, I wasn't feeling good whatsoever and it literally got worse throughout the day. So apologies that it kind of just cuts off really quickly. Really hope you have enjoyed this vlog. I've literally enjoyed editing it so much. And it was really just like a little hint into like all of the homewares shopping that I'm going to be doing, and also like an apartment tour, which I will be filming when the apartment's just a bit more like put together, because right now we're still like buying bits and bobs and like decorating it and everything. So once it's all set up, I'll give you a full apartment tour, but I'm literally obsessed with it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here because it's pretty long already. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Again, give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you would like to see more. I'm literally so excited for the next few videos of just like setting up the apartment, just like fully moving in. So yeah, anyway, I'm really not gonna babble anymore. I hope you enjoyed again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.